Those of us with dirty hands, blood stains intertwine, right away each morning to grind it out another time. The faces in the mirror, and not as young as they once were, but they're proud, they're proud. Put them in the motion, the boys will give their all. They're not coming back till the light is gone from the sky. Their aching frames return as dark and silhouettes, and they're proud, they're proud. Now we're not bragging, but we've been a friend of pain. We don't search it out, but we know we'll meet again. Always underestimated, quiet and intense. We are the keys of the machine, and we make all the difference. But the light will never be shined upon our scarred up faces. But we're proud, we're proud. No, we're not bragging, but we're a friend of pain. We don't search it out, but we know we'll meet again.